There are going to be new batteries that are made from nuclear waste. One example used for these batteries was on solar or wind farms, so they can provide energy while it's cloudy, and while it's sunny, they can be recharging. But in my opinion, there are some other things that these batteries could be used for. They can be installed in neighborhoods in event of a blackout, controlled or otherwise, to keep the power on so residents just don't suddenly lose power. And these were both examples where a big battery box could be set up. I wouldn't expect these to come to your consumer electronics anytime soon, and the reason is the radiation output. Now, while lead can handle everything up to gamma rays, you're going to need something like water or concrete to deal with the neutrons. And in the case of water, you're going to need a whole lot of water. And if someone went and tried to make batteries for consumer electronics using this technology, there's going to be a lot of reduced capacity and a lot of extra weight due to the radiation shielding that would have to be built into them. And this is in contrast to how most consumer electronics are being built nowadays. They're getting thinner and lighter than they ever have previously, even at the cost of repairability in some cases, and as an excuse to remove the headphone jack. Yes, I'm still pretty salty about that. Fight me in the comments. Anyways, the reason radioactive materials need to be shielded is because prolonged exposure to radiation can cause both cellular and genetic damage. And putting such a material, even shielded, in consumer electronics would carry an inherent risk that somebody's going to go and tamper with it. Probably because they'll think they'll become the next Spider-Man. So I fully expect that batteries that are made from such a substance, such as depleted uranium, would only be used in applications where a big box could feasibly be plucked down. Then again, I wouldn't put it past some redneck guy in a pickup truck to try stealing it to power his house. What kind of idiot would do that, you might ask? Well, the same kind who would try to build a beach in their backyard.